This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everyone, this is Coach Carole. I'm back again to show you how you can see your progress in Pathways at Toastmasters.org. I've already logged in here, as you can see, and at the top I can see my welcome message at the very top of the page. To get to my profile, I'll simply click on that message. And this takes me to my own special area in Toastmasters.org. Over here, you can put in place a picture of yourself. Mine's a little bit on the edge. You'll see your details about your location and contact details. And as you scroll down, you'll see a whole host of other things that you can look into. Education awards is where you'll find the record that Toastmasters International has about your pathways and other traditional education program. Clicking into Education Awards will allow me to view all of those. This page gives you the details of the education program itself on the left, the completion date in the middle, and the club for whom that award was given. As you can see, I'm a member of several clubs, and each time I complete a level in Pathways, I will designate which of my clubs to send that to. It does include all the other awards that I have gained in the traditional program, including my Distinguished Toastmaster Awards. So this is the place to come to find out what TI, Toastmasters International, has on record about your progress in your education. Going back, I'll show you very quickly before we finish today, by clicking on my profile link once again, how to get to your transcript in Pathways very quickly. Just above where I located the Education Awards is a statement that tells me I'm enrolled in 3 paths, and it's here where I can go to my transcript. Clicking on that link will take me directly to my transcript. So this is a very quick way of getting into Basecamp and going directly to my transcript so I can access my paths. That's all for now. I'll be back later with more.